Now, let me address something many business owners are already experiencing but do not fully understand yet. Banks in Nigeria are now rejecting generic or unverified tax identification numbers, generic or unverified one. This is not a bank policy problem, and it is not the issue of the TIN number you have. It is a tax compliance issue. Under the current regulatory framework by the Federal Inland Revenue Service, corporate taxpayers, emphasis on the corporate taxpayers, on the corporates rather, are now required to have their FIRS TIN properly validated on TaxPro Max. TaxPro Max is validating your TIN. That is a validation for your TIN number. TaxPro Max is not optional. It is the official digital platform used by the FIRS. Now, I know you would ask me that we do not have FIRS anymore. We now have NRS, but I would tell you gladly that FIRS is still operating underground, and without that, without the validation, we cannot do a lot of compliance with your TIN number related to your business or your company. This TaxPro Max platform is used to verify the authenticity of corporate TINs, track tax filing and payment history, and synchronize the taxpayer records directly with financial institution. What this means is simple. If your company's TIN is not properly validated on TaxPro Max, the bank sees it as incomplete or non-compliant. That is why account opening is delayed, because I'm sure a lot of people reached out to me about 2 weeks ago that banks are rejecting the TIN number and a lot of that. That's why compliance requests they keep increasing, and that is why some businesses are being flagged without warning. You just see that bank will close your account. Why? Because your TIN number is not validated. And I'll put it in a simple way. TaxPro Max for TIN number, it's just like you are activating or registering a new SIM. A SIM number without activation or registration is useless. That is why every corporate taxpayer in Nigeria is now expected to confirm their FIRS TIN number, or let me say their TIN number status on the TaxPro Max, validate it properly, and ensure all corporate tax records are accurate and up to date. This is not something that you postpone anymore, because it directly affects banking transactions and business credibility. If you are unsure whether your company TIN is properly validated, you do not need to assume. Do not assume, just check it. And if you need support with validation, correction, or full regularization on the TaxPro Max, this is exactly the kind of issue that we can help you out with. You can reach out to us through our Gmail or any of our phone number. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video.